Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Fascinating Facts channel. Today we will be discussing about the largest mines currently in operational around the world. In surface mining projects, the overlying rock and soil must be removed to gain access to the mineral-rich layers or veins. Mining is a necessary activity to obtain any material that can't be acquired through sustainable or agricultural processes. In many cases, mining operations inflict negative environmental impacts because it involves radical changes to the local environment. Unfortunately, it is not possible for us to enjoy modern comforts without resources obtained from mining operations. Here are the largest mines you should know. Located at the southern part of the Gobi Desert, Oyu Tolgoi contains a massive reserves of 48 tons of gold, 205,000 tons of molybdenum, 1,900 tons of silver and 2.7 million tons of copper. It is a new mine with production started from 2013 and full capacity was reached in 2021. Based on the expected rate of extraction, the Oyu Tolgoi mine has more than 50 years of operational lifespan remaining. It employs both open pit and underground mining techniques. At the moment, about 85,000 tons of ore are processed daily with the possibility of ramping up the operations to 170,000 tons of ore processing per day. El Teniente or the Lieutenant is located in the Chilean Andes region and it's an underground copper mine. Mining operations were officially started by the Utah-based Kennecott Copper Corporation in 1906. The Chilean government acquired 51% of the interest in 1967 and the mine was fully nationalized in 1971. El Teniente is still operating to this day with many workers are living in the nearby town of Sul. 3,000 kilometers of underground drifts have been dug out, making it the biggest underground copper mine in the world. In a typical day, more than 5,000 workers are involved in mining operations. Also known as Murni Mine, it is an open-pit diamond mine with a diameter of 1,200 meters and depth of 550 meters. The open-pit mining ceased in 1957, but the underground mining operations are still taking place to this day. Murni Mine is located in a harsh environment with 7 months of winter each year. During summer, the ground turns into slush, making it difficult to maintain mining operations, regardless of the season. Workers use jet engines taken from retired military aircrafts to thaw the permafrost. A large quantity of dynamite is also needed to blast rock to gain access to the kimberlite layer. Kiruna Mine is the most modern and largest underground iron mine, located in the Lapland region. The mining operation started in 1898, and by 2018, Kiruna Mine extracts about 27 million tons of iron ore. Thus far, the mine has produced 950 million tons of iron ore. It has a massive layer of iron ore at about 100 meters thick and 4 kilometers long. In order to allow for the expansion of the mining operation, it was decided in 2004 that the city center of Kiruna must be relocated. The relocation is being performed and it could be completed in a few decades. In terms of the volume of the excavated ore, the Chuquicamata mine is the largest open-pit copper mine, located 1,240 kilometers north of the Chilean capital Santiago. Mining facilities were built in early 1952 and by the late 1970s, it produced 500,000 tons of copper annually. Just like the El Teniente, the Chuquicamata mine was already fully nationalized by the Chilean government. Its electrolytic refinery facility is able to process 855,000 tons of copper ore each year, which is one of the largest in the world. The mine also has good reserves of molybdenum. The Garzweiler mine is a major source of lignite, a type of brown, soft and low-rank coal. Originally located in a different location, it had been moved to the Jushan area. The mine occupies a 48-kilometer square area and produces about 35 million tons of lignite each year, with about 1,400 employees. The mine currently provides fuel for a couple of nearby power plants and its recent expansion has caused the rerouting of the nearby motorways. Germany is planning to phase out all coal-fired power plants by 2038. This may have an effect on the operations of Garzweiler mine. Also known as the Kennecott Copper Mine, it is the deepest open-pit mine and the largest man-made excavation in the world. With annual copper ore production of nearly 20 million tons and 400,000 tons of rock moved daily, it is by far the most productive copper mine in the world. Owned and operated by the British-Australian company, Rio Tinto Group, the Bingham Canyon mine also has a refinery, smelter and concentrator plant. In production since 1906, the mine currently has a 4 km wide and 1.2 km deep open pit. The mine facility and its open pit are so large that they are visible from the orbiting space shuttle. Thank you for watching our video. We will continue uploading more videos very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, write a comment and click the notification bell button. See you soon.